Hi there, my name's Naveed. Welcome to 10 Minutes English. Today, I'm going to teach you more about simple present tense. And today we are going to discuss affirmative and negatives. This video is recorded for students of class 9, 10, first year, inter, and BCom. It will be helpful for their upcoming examinations. So, let's learn it. Well, what are affirmative sentences and negative sentences? It's very important to know what are affirmatives. Affirmatives are called statements. A statement which is true, or we can say an affirmative is a sentence which states something is true. For example, I am a teacher. So the statement I am a teacher is actually true because it is talking about something is true. I am a teacher, and thus the statement is talking about that. This is a English class. So this statement is also true. We are talking about something that is true. So when we talk about something which is true, we use or we call it affirmative sentences. In other words, we talk about things which are true in affirmatives. Okay? For example, Pakistan has 4 provinces. This statement is true. Imran Khan is the Prime Minister of Pakistan. This statement is true. Now, look at negatives. What are negatives? In negative sentences, or we can say negative sentences are the statement which are not true. Something which is not true is stated in negative sentences. Negative, something is not true. Okay? Now look at the examples. I am a teacher. This is a positive statement. We sometimes call affirmative sentences positive sentences. Okay? I am a teacher. This is a statement about me, which is true. I teach English. This is again a statement about me, which is true. Now let's look at this conversation and try to understand affirmative and negatives and how we can use them in our conversations. Here I have used 2 persons, person 1 and next is me. Somebody is talking to me and he begins conversation saying, "Hey Ali, how are you?" He called me Ali. So I'm not Ali. The statement, "Hey Ali, how are you?" The word Ali, this information is not true. So I would use negative and say, me means I'm saying, actually I'm not Ali. Actually I'm not Ali. Now what is true? I'm going to tell him using affirmative sentences. I'm Naveed. I'm not Ali. Negative, because this information is not true about me. So I use negative. I'm not Ali. I'm Naveed. what's the true information or right information about me? I'm Naveed. Person says, oh, sorry, you teach German. You teach German? Again, the information about me is not true. So I go for negative and say, no, I don't teach German. No, I don't teach German. And then I'll give the true information using affirmative sentence. And I'll say, I teach English. I teach English. So it's very easy to use affirmatives and negatives in our daily life. So what we have to think about it, we have to just look for the right information, the true information, or something which is not true. If we want to talk about things which are not true, we'll make negative sentences, and when we give true information, we'll make affirmative sentences. So that's all for it. Bye-bye.